Delta Dry Lath is a 2-in-1 product that combines the proven technology of our Delta Dry rainscreen with a fiberglass lath. It's a complete one-step drainage and ventilation layer with integrated lath for stucco and manufactured stone. This combines the installation of rainscreen and lath into one easy step, reducing time and labor. Delta Dry Lath is lightweight and easy to cut. Because metal lath is eliminated, it is also easier and safer to install. Before you get started, you will need a few tools and accessories: utility knife or scissors, automated nailing gun or stapler, roofing nails 1.5 inch or corrosion-resistant staples with a 1-inch wide crown by 1 3/4 inch leg length. Wearing gloves is recommended. An approved water-resistive barrier must be installed as per local building code requirements prior to the installation of Delta Dry Lath. For ease of installation, work with 2 people. Start at the bottom of the wall installing base flashing. Fasten Delta bug screen to the base flashing with roofing nails or staples. Install Delta Dry Lath wherever the wall cladding is to be installed. Always install in a horizontal direction with the fiberglass lath facing you. Fasten the weep screed in front of the bug screen with a flat leg between the Delta Dry and the glass lath. Ensure the glass lath overhang is facing down and overlaps the Delta bug screen. Remember, proper ventilation at top and bottom of wall is critical for system performance. As one person holds Delta Dry Lath in place, the other can install fasteners. Drive fasteners through the nail band into the studs, spacing them 6 inches on center vertically and 16 inches horizontally. For end laps, trim the Delta Dry dimple sheet component 2 to 4 inches, leaving the glass lath. Place the next section of Delta Dry Lath tightly adjacent to the course previously installed. Overlap the glass lath only and fasten into the stud at 6 inches on center. Additional courses of Delta Dry Lath should be offset by at least 16 inches on the stud. Position the material above the previous course, with the edges butted together and with the lath material lapping over the previous course. Push the membrane into the corner using a straight edge to ensure Delta Dry Lath is installed as tightly as possible. Then, fasten in place. Always run Delta Dry Lath at least 16 inches past the corner before fastening into a stud. When installing along outside corners, press the membrane around the corner as tightly as possible before fastening into a stud. For the top of windows and doors, install Delta bug screen at the edge of the flashing where you plan to terminate the cladding. Cut Delta Dry Lath as tightly as possible around windows and doors. When necessary, peel back the glass lath from Delta Dry and use scissors or a utility knife to trim back 1 1/4 inches of the Delta Dry dimple sheet. Place Delta Dry Lath directly against the Delta bug screen, overlapping the glass lath onto it. When installing around pipes and other openings or penetrations, trim Delta Dry Lath as closely as possible to the penetration. For the top of walls, install wood blocking that has been cut to fit on site. Fasten Delta bug screen directly against the bottom of the wood blocking. Be sure the top of Delta Dry Lath is lined up and installed directly against the bottom edge of Delta bug screen. To maintain proper ventilation, size the wood blocking to ensure a minimum 3/8 of an inch air gap for proper ventilation. To protect the air gap from wind-driven rain, fasten a flashing piece to the wood blocking. Overlap the cladding by a minimum of 2 inches, depending on your local wind conditions. You have completed installing both your rainscreen and lath in one simple step. Now you're ready to apply the scratch coat and install your manufactured stone or stucco. Delta Dry Lath offers you an efficient and innovative way to keep your buildings dry and well protected from moisture and resulting damage. Save time and money, minimize risks, and maximize long-term performance with new Delta Dry Lath. For questions or more information about installation, contact our technical support team.